create itong ALUM PRENEUR para sa kapwa Pilipino. Kasi katulad ng mga ibang bagay dito sa Pilipinas na yung mga ibang skill or yung mga dapat na pwedeng i-share sa ibang tao, yung iba nakatago.
Magandang tawag doon, yung ikaw mismo yung mag-i-insist sa sarili mo, hindi ka rin matututo. Kaya kahit po meron na tayong mga profesyon, meron pa rin tayong goal na gustong matapos.
Within my 2 weeks of training in Onesky Jaro, it's been a bit challenging at first because I'm just 18 years old. Well, for me, this Onesky Jaro experience has been very nice because I get to spend time with my father and we're both learning at the same time, so I would recommend it.
I'm Sandra Tejada. I'm a businesswoman. At first, I was hesitant to join in this training because I thought that the participants in the training were all men. Sir Chris is the best teacher. He will teach you and he will show you all the details. Tutukan ka talaga niya. So, what are you waiting for? Attend na kayo ng ALUM PRENEUR.